Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing well. Okay, now today I'm gonna show you guys how to cook or how to make rice with a bit of twist with lentils and little pinch of spices. Okay, hope you will like it. Let's get into it. Okay, for that you need of course a rice cooker because we are going to cook in rice cooker. A rice cooker, then rice and lentils mixed. I have rinsed it. It's actually for 2 person. I have rinsed it in water and washed it. Okay, to make it a bit spicy, I have chopped red chilies and chili powder, turmeric powder and salt just to add some flavor and taste with it. So now now I'm going to add the rice and the lentils inside the pot in the water. Okay, so I have poured it. Now I'm going to add the chilies. Actually the amount is totally up to you. If you like spice much like me, then you can add more. So I like spice. Then also beat chili powder or turmeric powder, then salt, of course salt, it's according to your taste. Now I'm going to also add a bit oil in it. Okay, so now I'm going to stir this. Okay, done. Now, so that's it. I have poured everything in it. I have stirred it. Now I'm going to shut the lid and put it for cook and wait until it's cooked. So let's get back again like a bit later. So welcome back guys. The rice is already cooked. Now see, I'm going to pour this in the plate. See, the chilies are looking so good. So guys, this is the rice. You can have this only by this, or you can add any curry with it or egg, anything with it, and have your lunch or dinner. Thank you guys. See you back again. Bye bye.